me hearties, I'm going to teach you about the pirate treasure. I was reading this morning, and as I was going through, I kept stumbling upon words that I knew, but that I didn't know. And so I started collecting the vocabulary words, and then I'd write them at the end of the chapter in a way that I knew that these are words that I know, but that I don't know. And it reminded me of pirate treasure. When you are reading, you want to think like a pirate. Pirates sail the open seas on a hunt for wild and amazing treasure. They're looking for gems everywhere. When you're reading, gems are everywhere, and teach your children to be pirates. And what you can do is you go online. Treasure chest drawings. Treasure chest crafts. Make a treasure chest. Make a treasure wall. Make a treasure something. A simple one, my black pen is a little bit dry, so we use blue, is to draw a very simple treasure chest. Oh, make it big. Oh, make it big. Put it on your wall. The younger your kids are, the more you do the crafty stuff. Make yourself a pirate chest, a treasure chest. And as you are reading and you spy a word that you've never seen before with your piratey eyes, snag the word, and you can get little medallions, make circles, or just write the words on to fill up your treasure chest. And then your goal is to collect treasure every time you hit literature. Every time you read a book, see if there be a hidden gem under the story. Your children will learn to look at stories, and they'll look for the words that they don't know. But because you've made it fun, they don't really realize that they're learning formal vocabulary. If this were me and I had a chest like this, I would start by just writing the words on there. But then I think I would ramp it up a notch. If you go to, what's that store? If you go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's or your local craft store, they have a build your own treasure chest. I would absolutely make us a treasure chest, or have the kids make their own treasure. And then each and every day or week, we would reach in and pull out a treasure. And then we would need to use that treasure in our daily life. Meaning we would grab a vocabulary word and try to use it in daily life. Pirate treasure. Look in your literature and look for words that you don't know off the top of your head, and make sure your kids see you become an active reader who's taking notes. Oh, I don't know what ineffable means. Ineffable. Gazed upon the ineffable glory of God. So I had to look it up because I've heard the word a million times, but I've never paused to get it. And ineffable means too great or extreme to be described in words. It's like beyond your ability to express with mere words. Ineffable. So as you are reading to yourself, no matter how old your kids are, you spy a word and you go, do you know what ineffable means? I don't know what ineffable means. Then circle it, go to your dictionary or your smartphone, look it up, hunt for treasure, and then make a note, and then add the word to your treasure box so that your kids can see value in collecting vocabulary words, expressive words, in order to communicate more clearly and concisely. So I'm going to give you my favorite word of the current season of life, and Isaac and I, our third son, spied this word within a story a few years ago, and it instantaneously became one of our most precious and coveted gems. Ready? Say phantasmagoric. Phantasmagoric. Oh, the moment we heard the word, it became not so hidden treasure in our home. So make yourself a pirate treasure chest. Collect vocabulary in your own reading. You, mom, you, dad, you, homeschool parent, you read a real book. And then look for words that you don't know off the top of your head. Or make it up. Like pick one that you know the kids don't know. Just find words that you don't know. Pause, ask the kids, hey, do you know what ineffable means? I don't either. Oh, that's what it means. And then you write it down. Or you tell them, and then you put it in your treasure chest, or put it on your treasure wall, or make little treasure coins that you carry around with you, and you go, oh, that's really great. And then you pull it out and you go, oh, no, it's not. That's really phantasmagoric. So make yourself a pirate chest, collect vocabulary, because there are precious gems everywhere, me hearty.